What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We are back with another RFD video. Been a minute since I did an update, been in some days, right? So I'm just doing a bit of an update. I know they got people that are still bullish on this project. I know the community is still going strong. So the price action right now, not even gonna stress about it at all, guys. Sitting at $13 million in market cap. You know, right now, if you're bullish on RFD, you DCA in, because a potential reversal can happen, guys. You can't rule these things out for any project at all, right? You can see right here, zero taxes, you know, liquidity burnt, you know, not much could go wrong other than the community giving up on the project, right? If the community gives up on a project, then I would consider it a dead project, right? But the community is still there, they're still pushing, still have top influencers in the project. They're still doing their best for the project. So, you know, a project could always turn around. Maybe we're just in a consolidation, accumulation phase for RFD. You know, we see a lot more sideways, and then eventually we see a breakout, right? We see a huge reversal, right? These are possibilities that could potentially happen for the projects. You can't rule these things out. If you hold RFD, let me get your thoughts. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video as well. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. But as you guys can see, man, RFD has been trending on DEX tools for a minute. It's always in the top 10, like constantly always in the top 10, guys. You know, Pepe is down. A lot of other projects are down, especially because of the Binance SEC situation. A lot of projects took a huge hit, you know, but it's only a matter of time. When the market gets bullish again, the strong communities, the strong projects with active communities will shine. RFD could potentially be one of those projects, guys. You can't rule that out. Y'all already know that the SEC are trying to sue Binance. Binance already issued their response. I think they're just trying to crash crypto as always. They don't want to see people like you and me, the regular people, the honest people making a living, honest living. They don't want to see us successful. They don't want to see us wealthy like they are, right? They just want to keep and hoard all the wealth to themselves. But we're gonna keep pushing, and crypto is always gonna be here, guys. Take a look at the RSI for RFD, guys. You take a look at the RSI, it could come down a bit more and hold the floor until it, you know, yeah, we're looking at the RSI, it could come down like this and then come back up. You never know, something like that. I wouldn't rule it out, man. When we take a look at the Twitter, they recently did an update to DEX tools to remove the mintable function that was community member reached out to Go Plus Security to confirm that they can't mint any tokens with the RFD project. And they have cool AI art recently as well. Cats are now bullish on RFD. See, the community is still pushing with, look at that, 14,000 views on a tweet June 6, 113 likes, 43 retweets from a very small account. That's crazy, just to show you how active the community is, right? It had the mintable function there, they changed it. Let me take a look. Mintable, you see, everything checks out, man. No, not mintable anymore. So the update is complete, man. I'm telling you guys, like, when you take a look at the RFD contract itself, it's a great and beautiful contract, right? It's a beautiful contract. All it takes is a community to push the project now. Like, once the community super bullish, super active, always putting in that work, you can't rule out success for a project. 9,000 holders, almost at 10,000, recently up 1.2%. You know, a lot of people miss RFD back here. You're getting yourself entries, guys, for another potential run, right? If, like, and you can't rule out the possibility of a reversal on the project at all. You cannot rule that out. Wallet distribution for RFD on point, clearly on point. Mexi's the biggest holder. Uniswap, the Uniswap pool, KuCoin as well. It's listed on KuCoin. I keep forgetting that it's listed on KuCoin, man. You know how bullish that is. So the Mexi and KuCoin are the biggest holders in the project, and then you have the Uniswap pool, obviously. But great wallet distribution, always active. Europop 203K followers, huge influencer in the space, guys. Most people know Europop. They're always shilling projects to him, and you know, he's super bullish on RFD, which will be great going into a bull cycle, because guess what, when there's new retail investors and Europop is mentioned in RFD, who's to say it can't absolutely crush it when there's a lot of new money that finally starts to come into the space. When we saw that huge run in Pepe, that wasn't new money, guys. That was just everybody leaving other projects running into Pepe. That was just the liquidity changing hands. We haven't seen much new money in the spaces yet. So when that does take place, you could see RFD absolutely crush it, guys. Always active on Twitter. You could apply to be an official moderator. Certic audit, they're working on their Certic audit, guys. Man, I'm telling you, if it comes back down to 10 mil or less than 10 mil, even right now, that's a great entry. And then say the project does pull that reversal, you know, you're gonna be chilling nicely, guys. I'm telling you, these are the times when you look at good projects, not just RFD, but projects in general that have, you know, something going for them. These are the times you look into projects when it's red, when there's a ton of fear. When there's a ton of fear, that's when you look into these types of projects, and then you take a chance on them, right? Stecky.eth, they keep doing the Twitter spaces. Saw a Twitter space from Dogecoin Ride. He's a big account, 528K followers. Yep, on the first. Looks like loyal folks need a refund. But yeah, man, still think the project is very bullish because of the community. Like I said, I want to see nothing but success for the project, man. I'm telling you, if you hold Refund, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.